this is a lot of, their structure. Wood cards. Gawa nila ginagawa nila cards carving. So ito yung sample nung yung nasa labas. Wood designs. Parang lake ito or river. Boat yan, no? Pwede kang hintay dito kung mag-rest while waiting for the others. Parang may restaurant din nata. Ayun, may small restaurant doon. So, pag bumili, pwede mag-sit dito. Kaya, meron din silang boat ride. Parang Asian time. The rowing boat, yeah. So this is the history. Tingnan natin naintindihan kasi nasa Thai language. So ito pala yung natatanong ko kanina na nasa taas kami. Wow. Nice, oh. So huge. This is the Sanctuary of Truth. So this is their beliefs. Buti hindi masyadong crowded. Kasi hapon na kami nakarating dito. After namin ng so meron nga yung ginawa namin. I forgot guys. What's that? Basta yung nag-Tarzan kami. Tarzan and then nag-kart. So ayan guys. So basically ito lang makikita dito ng mga wood cards. We call it Sanctuary of Truth. Kung anong meaning yun. So may mga pa-helmet effect pa sila, oh. Helmet effect. So I think that's it. Famous na kanilang hinihingal ako guys. Famous na mangga. dagat to. Oh, sakto-sakto yung ulap po. Wow, nice. Okay, that's it guys. That's it guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please follow for more updates. Bye guys.